Hi. So after all of the craziness of the holidays, and then the super full moon, I'm I feel that I am a little less grounded, and plus when I came back from traveling, I got really sick. Um, it was COVID, but it's also kind of lingering, and I think that it's lingering because I um, I don't feel like I can ground, that I am grounded as much as normal, and this whole perfect storm of chaotic energy has a lot to do with it. So I am going to go through the process of grounding and rebalancing, cleansing out my energy centers, my chakras, and I wanted to take you on that journey with me. So you can tag along if you want to. When I take a deep breath, yes, I can feel it fill my lungs, but then I can also feel the energy from that deep breath sink down low into my sacral abdomen area and down into my root chakra, just the base of your spine. It's known as being red. Beyond that, you take that energy and you let it dive down deep into Mother Earth. Deep, connecting with roots, through that connection, that root from the earth. That's the energy we're going to pull up. Through our root chakra. That energy we're pulling in, scraping away all the gunk as the root chakra spins. Chipping away at the blockages, allowing it to spin freely and bright. Loosening the stress and anxiety that has sat there. This earth energy makes its way up to your sacral chakra. Earth's energy is chipping away at any blockages. This is where your gut feelings, your digestive health sits. Let's clear that up. Energy is moving up to the bright yellow energy center of your solar plexus. If you're feeling lethargic, unmotivated, this is your power. Get that bright yellow energy center moving, chipping away. Chipping away at any stress blockages, anything that is keeping you from moving forward or taking action or feeling your power. And now the earth's energy is coming up to my heart chakra. Green. Patience, love, compassion, empathy. Understanding, self-love, this is where your heart center is. Let's chip that gunk out of there as your energy center is starting to spiral faster. Okay. Up into the throat chakra. To communication. Your immaculate words. Speaking your truths. This blue energy center is spinning as we're cleansing it, chipping away all those nasty little particles that accumulated through stress, illness. I want to stop before we get to the third eye chakra because my ears are ringing. So I would really like to bring attention to this energy. We do have chakras for our ears, these energy centers. Let's just clear these out real chip away. Okay, it's moving to my third eye. It's right in the middle of your forehead. It's purple. Okay, it's moving up. It's about an inch above your head. It's your crown chakra, white or indigo. I always picture it as a lotus flower, but it is an energy. I always feel a sensation on the crown of my head. You feel it opening up and moving freely. As it opens up, divine white or golden light, energy, showers down, taking away all of those little particles that were scrubbed from each and every energy center. Down, 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 out through your root chakra and into the earth. It's disappearing like a puff of smoke. And now that they're clear, it leaves room for more golden, healing, loving, compassionate light. Just replenishing, balancing, moving those energy centers. Just sit in stillness, being consciously aware of your energy sensations.